Hey, this is Recode back again with a new video of unboxing the Google gift and Google goodies from Google Assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Assistant t-shirt and $100 cloud credit for free. The Google will send you the rewards when you make some apps in Google Assistant, and when it reaches or hit some kind of milestone which is already referred by Google. So this is a Google Assistant t-shirt which I got it from Google Assistant community. In before doing making some apps, you need to know about what is Google Assistant, how it works, and how you have to make apps for it. So you can refer my another video which is there in the link is there in the description box. And Google Assistant is simply, it's like a voice assistant like Bixby and Siri, which is getting popular right now. And you can do a lot of daily basis things in Google Assistant which help you to achieve your daily things or daily needs. So in order to get this gift, you have to develop some apps in Google Assistant. When it hits some milestone or some kind of things, they will invite you to join their community, as well as they will send you the Google t-shirt. Before sending the t-shirt, they will ask you for the they will send you a link asking for your address, t-shirt size, and the app reference ID which you made and all. So when I open this, you can see a letter showing invitation to the Google Assistant community. As well, along with this Google Assistant community, you will get $200 12-month cloud credit in your account in each month, which is a great thing. You can host, you can do whatever things on Google Cloud for free for 1 year, and also you can extend that. And when you see the Google Assistant t-shirt, you can see that there is a Google Assistant written over there with a Google Assistant symbol embedded on it. And you can use the t-shirt for Google Assistant community meetup. That's the main purpose why Google sent this t-shirt to me, and it's worth around $20 to $25. And you can refer my description box for the how to get this t-shirt and how to get the Google Cloud $200 free credit. So hope you like this video. If you like, click on subscribe button over there, and keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.